The Offshore Banking Blueprint: 27 Lessons for Safety and Success. Why your home bank makes life difficult the moment you travel. The one feeling you must never ignore when meeting a new banker. How a simple email update can save you from a major banking headache. The red flag that means you should move your money immediately. Why the best bank for someone else could be the worst for you. Section 1. Start with the right foundation. Your home country bank is not designed for an international life. It will block transactions and cause problems. The first step is to open an account with a bank that supports your global lifestyle. This prevents countless headaches. Section 2. Choose your bank wisely. Not all international banks are good. Some demand too many documents and are difficult to deal with. Research and choose a bank that is known for being efficient and client-friendly. Always have a backup account in case your main bank suddenly closes your account. Section 3. Confirm the bank services before opening. Make sure the bank allows you to do what you need, like sending international transfers online. If you cannot manage your account remotely, it is useless. Do not assume a bank has every service. Verify first to avoid major inconvenience. Section 4. Trust your instincts and watch for red flags. If a bank gives you a bad feeling, walk away. This instinct can save you from fraud or loss. Major red flags include a bank making it too easy to open an account, requiring very low deposits, or having shady partner banks for international transfers. Section 5. Understand fees and build relationships. A bank with very low or no fees may be using your money in risky ways. It is often better to pay reasonable fees for a stable, conservative bank. Your banker is your ally inside the bank. Communicate with them openly about your plans, especially before large transactions, to build trust and avoid problems. Section 6. Keep things simple and up-to-date. Do not create a complex web of accounts across many countries. A simple setup with a few solid banks is best. Always keep your personal information, like your address, current with the bank. Outdated info can trigger compliance issues and freeze your account. Section 7. Manage transactions carefully. Always test a small wire transfer before sending a large amount. This ensures the details are correct. Never surprise your bank with a huge, unexpected transfer. Talk to your banker first. If a bank starts restricting withdrawals or changes its international partners for the worse, it is a sign to find a new bank. Section 8. Make decisions based on your unique needs. There is no one best country for offshore banking. The right solution depends on your specific goals, profile, and who you do business with. Do not follow blanket advice. Choose the bank and country that are the best fit for you. Open accounts when you qualify, as rules and minimum deposits can change quickly. Final summary. Successful offshore banking requires planning. Leave your home bank for one that supports international clients. Choose reputable banks carefully, trust your instincts, and watch for red flags like easy onboarding or poor services. Build a relationship with your banker. Keep your information updated and manage transactions wisely. Your banking strategy should be simple and tailored specifically to your own needs.